welcome you all for the 68th Occupy Detroit General Assembly. And this is the first one we are able to hold here in the community. We were all invited to come out here and meet everybody.
It used to be a time where we had pride in our neighborhood. I mean, I was my brother's keeper. I would look out for you when you were going on vacation.
But here it is, me and my daughters have nowhere to go as of today. We have nowhere to go.
That's where other parents come in and help out.
Okay, so then you have the extended family. You got auntie and, grandma and grandpa can help out too.
Bring it back, I guess.
Okay. Right.
So the unity is built right here.
Right.
This is the ground level of everything.
Right now.
Yeah, this ground zero.